Do you ever find yourself wishing for more time with your loved ones? To truly cherish those precious moments and be there when they need you the most. Many of us work tirelessly to provide our families, but sometimes we miss out on what truly matters. Time together. I've been there, feeling like I was failing in my relationships, missing out on important milestones. Do you resonate with that feeling? But fear not, because I have a solution. How not to only spend time with your family, but also secure your financial future. Introducing our revolutionary concept. Imagine being the partner your spouse dreams of and the parent your children crave. It's time to reclaim your time and nurture your most cherished relationships. How can you achieve this? It's simple. Just click on the Learn More button somewhere around this video and you'll go to my registration page. Share your name and email and I will share with you the information on this concept. I once considered starting a traditional business like a water station, but the costs and complexities were daunting. I would need a store, buy all the water sterilization equipment, employ a manager and people to bottle and deliver the water, a mode of transport to deliver. With our concept, you can build your online business from the comfort of your home, enabling you to spend more time with your family. No need for expensive equipment or physical stores, just the passion and an internet connection. And the best part, you're not bound by age or location. Work on your terms from anywhere in the world. No bosses dictating your schedule, uncapped income potential. You can leverage products and services from renowned international companies, marketing them online, or if you prefer, build or enhance your business around your passions. We're fortunate to live in an era of boundless information. All you need is a little guidance to turn this concept into reality. Are you ready? Ready to take the first step towards a life filled with freedom and fulfillment? Click that button now and embark on this journey together. It's time to reclaim your time and nurture your most cherished relationships. Click that button now and let's make it happen.